3, 4 here. There's so many kittens here. Okay, me being completely disappointed right now. I have no clue what's happening. But all I can say is I'm a little disappointed because the gym closes at 7 o'clock and the tennis court apparently now is booked by a tennis club which gives professional training. So at this point all I can do is go back and eat. I don't know. I have no fucking clue. But anyway, and I'm gonna go and explore. What else can I do? This resort seems like so big. They have beach villas, they have normal, the rooms and everything. It is really nice, honestly. I mean, it's recommended, honestly. You can come have your gala time here. But I don't know. Okay, so since I've come, I've seen this place called Cabana. I don't know how to say Cabana, I don't know. So let's see what's now 1 second. Wait a minute. Did it just say Karana? 1 second, let me shift the camera. Hey, okay. Karana 441 to 415. Are these all villas? 441 to 415. Oh, weird. Let's go. Oh, Cabana. Oh, these are villas. These are huge villas, dude. Oh my god. These are huge villas. Can you see? Oh my god. Okay. Now, we have House of Bread Bakery in front of me. I hope you saw. House of Bread Bakeries. Is there nothing that I can go further and see? Okay, there's a nightclub and there are 2 clubs. Look at this. There's nobody. It might look like a small space, but there's actually a huge difference. There's literally no one. Nobody. Look at that. Nobody there also. So I love my safety and I'm not going to go near there because there's nobody there. And I don't even see cameras outside that place. So if I get disappeared, I love my safety. Let's go back. Honestly, I was supposed to meet my friends today, but plans. I wasn't okay. Fun fact: I wasn't willing to come to Ras Al Khaimah at all. I wanted to stay at home. I said, in fact, we all got stay at home alone, have my space for like 24 hours. I don't know. But then finally, I got convinced to go. I don't regret it. But anyway, so tennis court. I can hear music, but I'm also sure 90% that it's not yet 8:30 because when I started walking it was like 7:35. As I can see the recording, it's like 5 minutes. That's what I saw. The last time I saw, the time was 7:35. So I believe now it's 7:40. Oh, my life's a mess. And you guys watch the mess. That's it. Let's see with a new update. Bye.
Thank you. You are amazing, guys. Do all of them.
Okay, I don't know, you can see me in the light. Okay, anyway, we had mini disco, first dance, kids dance, then I was thrown on stage to learn bachata and Latina. I'll just put maybe some clips of me getting embarrassed on stage before this, or I think it'll already be attached. So yeah, this is day 1, tomorrow is day 2, and we have planned a lot. Let's see, but tomorrow we are leaving around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, so not sure, but we'll update you. Bye.